We look green. Hi, eh?
Food poisoning.
Food poisoning, baby. Not at all. Hi folks, here we are. This is just before Christmas now. The date today is the... My watch says the 16th. It's not though, is it?
No, I haven't got a clue what.
Is it the 18th or the 19th? One of the two. Anyway, we just thought we'd do this little mail call video. We've received a few things in the post and we'd just like to share them with you. First of all, we've got a little Christmas card there, sealed with a kiss on the back there, from our friend Snobby and Dusty's for Snobby's Scrap Pickers channel, which we give a shout out to a few months, well, about a month ago, Sharon.
And say, lovely writing.
And got on to the 1,000 mark on their subscriber count. So that will go with the other one, Sharon. And we've also got, oh, that was the card from Snobby. Look, didn't put no written writing inside it. Oh, baby.
He's already sent us a Christmas card.
Keep that. We'll send it back to him next year. We've got this one coming today from Roy's the boy and his wife Diane. So thank you very much for that, Roy.
Thank you.
Very nice to get stuff off her subscribers as well. Fantastic. And what time was we woken with this one this morning, Sharon?
Hello. What time was I? I was in the kitchen blow drying my hair.
Right.
And there's a knock at the door.
What time was this?
About 20 past 8.
20 past 8, baby. I'm still in bed.
Well, I know that.
Right, and she come into the bedroom with this little parcel. So
what you ordered now?
She thinks I order stuff all the time, which I do actually. But let's try and get it out of the box. We thought we'd share this with you, this little moment. Didn't have a clue what it was. It's some sort of hamper. Hold on, Sharon. Whoa. I didn't have a grip on it, baby.
Come on now.
Coming out you come. Now look at this little baby.
Beautiful.
This is a fantastic box.
I love it.
And it's called a Prestige hamper. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. In fact, the box, she loves the box, Sharon.
I've claimed it.
She's going to be putting photographs and trinkets and stuff in there. How's it open, Sharon?
Oh, it's juicy. Pop.
That's a lovely old tool, isn't it? Oh, pull that paper out, baby. We've got some lovely stuff in there, look. Oh, fantastic. Oh, we've got a card. Is that the card, Sharon? Read the card out, baby.
Merry Christmas to you and your family. Many thanks for the business you have brought to us through your YouTube channel. Very much appreciated. Have a great Christmas. Regards, Carl and Philippa.
Superb. Thank you very much, Carl and Philippa. Beautiful. We didn't expect this. No. It's absolutely lovely. And I've never seen a hamper done in a box like this, Sharon.
It's beautiful, the box.
Let me come round there with you. Hold on.
We'll get everything out to show you.
Oh, it's fantastic. All the things that you love when you want to sit in front of the TV. Oh, it's fantastic, isn't it, Sharon?
Look at them crisps in the tub.
I've never seen crisps in a tub, Sharon.
Tomato basil mozzarella.
Oh, it's absolutely fantastic. And what a lovely box it comes in as well.
Nice to know that people appreciate, well, what he does, really.
Shall we do it, baby?
You do a lot more than me. You've got
we do it.
channels. I only appear on one on a Saturday.
Yeah.
You do. And it, oh.
What?
I found it.
Say that?
I've got my name by the box.
Oh, that's one of her favourite, Red Velvet Crunch.
Nice. White chocolate in as well. White chocolate, my favourite.
Yeah, I mean, we do put a lot of effort into our channels, and probably people don't realise when you get idiots comment, for example, that, you know, to create videos. What's that, baby? Here, I love dark chocolate. Hey, baby, she's claimed it all.
I've given you something.
I can't believe it.
As well.
Oh, you want the box as well, baby, didn't you?
I love that box. It's beautiful.
And we put a lot of effort into our YouTube channels. We've got two channels, as you know, the Retrorestore channel, which is this one, and the Retro Hacks channel. And to get feedback off of you guys out there, not that we expect anything like this, obviously, but it does show that we do not only help people out, but we try to save people money as well. Especially when I do the car repair fixes. You know, you don't realise that you do realise obviously that taking a car to a garage can cost a hell of a lot of money for minor things and problems which you could probably have a go at yourself if you're a little bit handy.
I don't mind breaking my washing machine door.
Or even down to the washing machine. I repaired that the other day, and again, I just done a little video on that and things like. What else did I do recently? We fixed the hand on that resin model, for example, Tyson model we got. So we've done that as well.
You fixed the taps in the bathroom, put new taps in.
And also when I help people out on my other channel, which I don't no longer upload to, that is me my t-shirt printing channel and stuff like that. I've actually started many people off t-shirt printing as a little sideline, and some of them have gone on to earn lots of money and made a living on it as well, sort of thing. So, you know, and making them videos, they're not tutorials as such, they're just showing you what I do, and if people like to follow what I do, that's great. If I can help someone save a bit of money as well, that's fantastic as well. So we try not to look at the negative, but it's very nice when we see things like this happen that people do appreciate, and some people just like to buy us a sort of a tip sort of thing, give us a tip on our super chat, what we do on our live stream channel on this channel, isn't it? And that's fantastic as well. And we try to give back as well in the way of little gifts and stuff with our super chat prizes and stuff like that, which we give away as well. I mean, that all costs money, you know, it's not a free pass to make money working on YouTube. And also nothing's guaranteed, because I mean, our channel, although we've got regular subscribers, our channel hasn't really grown to where it probably should be.
No, so if you've got friends, pass this along and get them to subscribe.
Yeah, because we get so many views from non-subscribers.
I should have actually said that, should I? If you've got friends.
If you've got friends, when you've got friends, all right.
Yeah. Pass it along and get them to touch that bell and subscribe to us.
So, I mean, I'm going to have to start putting a notification at the beginning of the videos, because call to actions is what I don't actually do in my videos. People probably watch a video and then just click off and do that. But a lot of people who do get a good subscriber count tend to put a lot of, will you subscribe and ring the bell notification, probably at the beginning of the video. So I'll probably start doing that in the new year. Hello, Bison. Sit down, mate. And so I've got to make a few little detailed changes to the way that I upload and the way that I present my channel, for example, because again I want it to grow a bit further. We made the decision back in January to make this our daily job, so to speak, and as I say, we did have a good part in the middle of the year where we started to take off, but YouTube's been playing around with their algorithm, and a lot of people got held back and stuff like that, or not demonetized, but de-ranked, where their videos weren't getting the exposure which they should or was getting before, and that happened across the board mid-year. And I mean, we sort of got caught up in that on both my channels, and as a result of that, I've got to probably make some detailed changes to try and get things moving again. And also, you've got a lot of people come on in the restoration game now from countries like the Far East, for example, who are basically doing the restoration videos, again, not to a decent standard, but they're putting them out and they're throwing loads of them out there. People probably see it as an easy way to make money at the end of the day, but it's not an easy way to make money. For me to pull out one restoration a week on my Retro Hacks channel, there's a lot of background work which has to take place. One, I've got to source the items to repair. Two, I've got to actually look at the restoration and buy any parts and materials and stuff like that. Then I've had to buy the materials like the sandblasting cabinets, the grinders, drills, all the equipment I use, and the powder coating oven, as you probably saw, that I built on my Retrorestore channel, this channel. So there's a lot of stuff that goes behind the scenes before producing the video, and you know, that takes a lot of time and a lot of commitment as well. So anyway, thank you very much for our subscribers over this last year, those who have stayed with us, and hopefully, as I say, in the new year we can start to grow the channel more than we probably did this year, and also my Retro Hacks channel as well. So if you do watch this video and you haven't yet subscribed, please try and hit the subscribe button, and also ring the little notification bell, and that means every time we upload a video you'll get notified, and you can watch it at your leisure, basically. Anyway, thanks very much, baby.
Thank you.
Have a happy new year, a happy Christmas. Hope everything goes well for you.
And we should see you Christmas Day, I think.
Yeah, I think we're going to do a live on Christmas Day this year. Thanks very much, folks. See you in the next video, and until then, happy
Merry
Christmas. Bye for now.
Okay, maybe you go happy.
Whatever. Whatever.
Whatever.